In this video, we will discuss the isometric projection problem number 12. So the question is given like this: a cone of base diameter 30 mm and height 40 mm rests centrally over a cube of side 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combinations of solids. So here we have two objects. The first one is a cone of base diameter 30 and height is 40. It is placed on the top of a cube. The cube is the second object. The bottom object is cube. So first we will construct the cube. So go to the line, visible line. The cube length they given 50. So angle combination will be 50, enter 30, then again 50, enter 150, then 50, enter minus 150, then 50, enter minus 30. So we given the top face of the cube. Then to get the bottom face, we need to give the height. Height also we know that for cube it will be same. So 50 and angle is minus 90. So after placing that, we can use the move option to make a copy of this. Select the line and pick from the top corner and place it to the remaining three corners. After placing it, this is the edges also we need to move. Hold the control, select these two edges and pick from the top line and place the bottom end of the line. So like this we can construct a cube of 50. After placing this, so draw the diagonal line to get the center, the midpoint. And next bottom object is finished. To get the top object is cone they given. The cone means we have a circular face, it will come, the diameter is 30. So to how to construct the circular object, we know that we need to make a frame of a given diameter, square frame of given diameter 30. So click it here and the length will be 30 and angle is 30. And again 30, 150, then 30, minus 150, then 30, minus 30. So we got the frame. And now to construct the circle, we have to get the four centers. To get that, we need to draw the line to the opposite at midpoint from the bottom corner. These are the two edges. To midpoint, we need to draw the line. Same way, take the top corner and draw the line to the opposite edge midpoints. Okay. Then go to arc by center point. Take a visible line. Take bottom point as a center and draw the arc between these two midpoints, and then take the top corner as a center and draw the lines, the arc between these two midpoints. Then take the right side intersection of these two midpoint lines and draw the right segment of the arc, then left. So like this we need to construct the base of the cone, and after construction of this we can delete all this the midpoint joining lines and then draw the diagonal line to get the midpoints with the normal line. And height of the cone they given 40. So from the midpoint, click it and give the height 40 and angle is 90. And then go to visible line, draw tangent to the bottom arc segment. Draw the two tangents. And once you finish this, you can delete all these lines except the height, because we need to keep this point on the midpoint of that top surface of the cube. That's why go to trim and you can trim this extra, that is the objects coming in backside of that. So after finishing this, go to move, switch off the copy, select this object from the bottom point, you pick it and place it exactly at the midpoint of the cube. So after placing this, you can delete this diagonal line and you can delete this axis height also, you can delete it and go to trim option and trim the portion coming behind the cone. And then last step, go to the scale and convert this one to scale. So select the object, so after selecting, give the scale factor 0.814, press enter. Now it is reduced to isometric. So like this we can solve this problem.